Hi guys, today on Divas Can Cook, we are making my new favorite snack for TV binge watching. So move over popcorn, y'all. These shoestring fries are like so addictive, OMG. And they're so easy to make, so let's go. Okay, we're gonna start with one large russet potato. I've already washed it. I have my mandolin set on the julienne setting. We're gonna go ahead and slice these up. You guys, I have finally signed up for Netflix and I am addicted to documentaries on that show, and this is what I've been making every single Friday. Like as soon as Shabbat dinner is over, I'm like, peace out, time to watch my Netflix. Oh my god. But yeah, okay, so once you have shredded those up, put them in a bowl of water and then just kind of swish them around for about 5 or 10 minutes, because this will help remove all that starch and make them perfect for frying, just like that. Okay, so while that's soaking, I'm going to add my peanut oil into a nice deep pot here. Use peanut oil. Peanut oil is the best for making fries. Best. Okay, now it's time to dry these little fries off, because they have to be dry before they go into the oil. That way they will crisp up so perfectly and you're not gonna splatter your oil. Okay, so get yourself a paper towel. I use that Ultra Plus, and man, that thing just like sucks the moisture right out of these fries. But you can also use a salad spinner if you want to, but you don't need to, because they're so thin, they dry so very quickly. But once you have them all dry like that, see how that is, nice and dry, they shouldn't be sticking to each other. All right, so if they're sticking, they're not ready yet. Look how small and cute they are. They're so cute. And these are like 10 times better than the kind you buy at the store, like the little old school, what do you call it, potato sticks? Yeah, these are way better than those, guys. Okay, my oil is hot, so I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. You have to add a little bit at a time. You add some in there, let the oil settle down, and then add the rest in there. Don't just throw a whole batch in at one time, because your oil is gonna overflow. It happened to me so many times. Okay, go ahead and let that fry on up. And this is how I like it, kind of a little bit, not burnt, but just like really golden. And this is how my husband likes it right here. And this is how my boys like it. They think it tastes like Chick-fil-A fries when I do them like this. You know, I don't cook them for that long. They're so thin, they require no time at all to make. So then go ahead and spread them on out on a pan, line with paper towels, and then hit them with some seasoning. I have some parsley, I have some garlic powder, black pepper, sea salt, and just go ahead and just generously toss them around, and you are done. Get you a bowl, find you a bomb Netflix series, you guys. Oh my gosh, yeah, they're so good and they're so easy. And it's kind of cool how that one little potato made a whole pan of these little fries, and they taste good the next day, y'all. Like, I don't even eat reheated fries or cold fries, but these are so good the next day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos later.